The Senses Toolkit. Get to know the basics of climate change scenarios, learn about climate change and climate impacts, but also about the potential solutions, the transformation to a low-carbon society. Modules tailored specifically to policy and finance audiences let you take a deeper look at topics like electrification, the emissions gap, or fossil fuel risks. Access the basic data and investigate them in guided Explore modules. Continue your analysis with a full data scope in the IIASA Scenario Explorer. Navigate the complex climate change scenario space with ease in the Scenario Finder. Discover co-production techniques and apply them to your next climate change scenario workshop. See how extreme events occur across the globe at different warming levels and senses Earth. Share your insights and learning in your community by accessing and reusing a variety of optimized graphics.